So another thing you're going to be able to do, or you're going to be able to want to do, is combine different shapes together. So for example, I'm holding shift just to get this into a perfect circle. And let's say I also want to have a rectangle as part of, insert shapes. Have a rectangle as part of this. So I'm going to draw my rectangle, get it how I want it. Now I actually want that rectangle to be behind the circle. Sorry, to get it lined up. So if I want to change the order, send it to back, I can right click and up here. Oh, sorry, that's not the right one. Here we go. These ones. So this one is bring forward and this one is send backward. So I want to send it backward and it goes behind the circle like that. You also have the option up here to bring forward. Now, if you start using lots of different shapes, I'm going to just put a square in here as well, just to show. Okay, so can you see that's right at the front. If I want to send backwards, there's two options. There's send backward and there's send to back. Send backward will just go one step. Send backward, again, we'll send it all the way to the back. Now, there is also the option, if I want to bring forward, bring to front, we'll bring it all the way to the very top. Okay, send backward, we'll send it, send to back, we'll send it all the way behind all of them. So that's what the difference makes for those. Now, once you have your shapes and you're happy with them, so let's say I want to just put some text on here as well. Okay, so let's say I'm happy and we have everything exactly how we want it. So let's try and get that. We've got a circle in the middle. Let's try and get this. Okay, once it's absolutely as you want it, you can then draw a shape. Okay, so draw a box around everything. I'm just going to move this out of the way because actually this is messing up. And so draw a box around everything. Can you see each of them is highlighted? You're then going to right click and you're going to say group. Now this will act as one thing and it means you don't have to try and move everything separately. So for example, I can see that this box is not exactly aligned, it's not lined correctly. I can then right click and say ungroup, click off it to deselect it. I'm going to use my arrow keys just to get it exactly matched. Same as the circle, that's not right in the middle. So we can move it over. Once you're happy with it, draw a box, right click, group. And again, that's back to just being one object.